This video guides you how to set up AWS IoT Core for the fleet provisioning demo and how to build the demo project. The building and running the program will be introduced in the next video. An AWS account is required to run the fleet provisioning demo application. If you do not have an account, start by creating an account and sign into the console. Click Sign into the console and sign in. Select Services, Internet of Things, IoT Core to open the AWS IoT console. Follow the steps below to create AWS IoT Core policies. Select Security, Policies, and then click the Create Policy button. In the Policy Name field, enter a policy name of your choice. Click the JSON button. Copy and paste the text from Figure 4.5 into the policy document in the AWS console. Then, make the following changes. Copy your account ID. Change to your account ID. Check your region. Change AP Northeast 1 to match the region used. Click the Create button. Next, create a policy that will be attached to things created after fleet provisioning is run. Select Security, Policies, and then click the Create Policy button. In the Policy Name field, enter a policy name of your choice. For the policy action, select Allow for IoT Connect. For policy resource, enter the wildcard character, asterisk, to allow the resource. Then click the Add New Statement button. And add IoT Publish, IoT Receive, and IoT Subscribe in a similar way. Finally, click the Create button. Generate a provisioning claim certificate and provisioning claim key pair for use in fleet provisioning. Select Security Certificates and then click Add Certificate, Create Certificate. Click Auto Generate New Certificate, Recommended. Click Create. Download the newly created certificate and key pair. Then click the Continue button. On the AWS console, select Security Certificates and select the newly generated certificate ID. Click Actions Activate to activate the certificate. Also click the Attach Policies button. Select the policy which you have created earlier, and then click the Attach Policies button to attach it to the certificate. Next, create a fleet provisioning template. Select Connect Many Devices, then click the Create Provisioning Template button. Select Provisioning Devices with Claim Certificates, then click the Next button. Select Active, and enter the provisioning template name. Click the Create New Role button and enter the role name. Click the Create button. For Claim Certificate Policy, select the policy to be used when fleet provisioning is run. For Device Certificate, select the certificate you just downloaded, and click the Next button. Select Don't use a pre-provisioning action. Under Automatic Thing Creation, turn on Automatically Create a Thing Resource when provisioning a device, and if necessary enter a character string of your choice as the thing name prefix. Click the Next button. Check the box next to the policy attached to newly created things, then click the Next button. Click the Create Template button. This completes the configuration of AWS IoT Core. Follow the steps 028 to 232 in the linked video. In this video, the project name at 119 is specified as the CK-RX65N_FP. On the Select Application screen at 240 in the linked video, select the Ethernet version or the cellular version of the pub/sub/MQTT with Fleet Provisioning Sample Project. Follow the steps 258 to 310 in the linked video. The steps from 318 to 608 in the linked video are as follows. If you select the Ethernet version of pub/sub/MQTT with Fleet Provisioning Sample Project, please follow all steps in the AWS Ether CK-RX65N project. If you select the cellular version of pub/sub/MQTT with Fleet Provisioning Sample Project, please follow all steps in the AWS RYZ014A CK-RX65N project. From the Project Explorer panel in E2 Studio, open src/FreeRTOS_config/demo_config.h and change the value of Enable Fleet Provisioning Demo to 1. Follow the steps 718 to 734 in the linked video to build the project. The following video shows you how the Fleet Provisioning Demo works.